How to log in to Discovery Credit Card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Discovery Credit Card account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is of course open up a web browser. After you open it up, simply search for Discovery and search for Discovery Credit Card Login. Tap on it and open it up. Now, after you do that, you can simply see the login option right here. Tap on it and it will take you to the official website of Discovery. Now, after you're here, simply type in your user ID and then your password and then log in. There is also a remember user ID option for easier process for the future logins. If you ever forget your user ID or password, there are options to recover it, and there is also an option to activate your credit card. If you don't have an account, there is also an option to register for it. So simply type in your user ID and password and then tap on login, and then you'll get logged in into your Discovery credit card. That is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.